Yeah. Red-eye flight. Thought I'd just drift off. Guess not. Bordered smooth in sneakers and shades, midnight hum engine serenade. Just a pill in a window seat, trying to let the city fall beneath. Lights go low, I close my eyes, somewhere between truth and lies. Flight attendants say sit up straight, but I'm already miles away. They say, ma'am, you gotta comply. I just laugh like, not tonight. Seatbelt blues on a red-eye ride, trying to catch a dream, but the rules don't slide. Little bit of chaos in the cabin there, everybody watching like they care. Seatbelt blues, yeah, it's all absurd. Half asleep, didn't hear a word. One wrong move and it's headline news. Now I'm stuck in these seatbelt blues. Seatbelt blues. From the premiere to the midnight sky, still got glitter in my eye. Thought I'd land and hit the scene, talk it out on a daytime screen. But the story flipped mid-flight, turned my nap into a spotlight. Funny how it all goes down. One small thing turns big in this town. They say, ma'am, we need you awake. I'm like, how much more can I take? Seatbelt blues on a red-eye ride, trying to catch a dream, but the rules don't slide. Little bit of chaos in the cabin there, everybody watching like they care. Seatbelt blues, yeah, it's all absurd. Half asleep, didn't hear a word. One wrong move and it's headline news. Now I'm stuck in these seatbelt blues. Sign of the times, or just bad timing. Either way, they always watching. Could spin. Where it ends, don't know where it begins. Little moment turned into a show. That's just how these stories go. Seatbelt blues, laugh it off a night. Everything becomes applied. One night flight, one headline view, all because of these seatbelt blues. I'll stay awake. Maybe. You taking the time to listen. Mario's AI, Rhythms Entertainment, trying to making it better. Gracias por tomarte el tiempo de escuchar. Mario's AI, Rhythms Entertainment, tratando de hacerlo mejor.